Imagine you are fully conscious, but your body no longer responds. That sounds worse than fiction. But we're not talking about a movie. We're talking about a real natural system behind behavior like this. You're walking outside. Normal day. Your heart keeps beating. Your arms swing while you walk. Your legs move on their own. Then, suddenly, something stings your head, and you lose control. It feels like this. You're standing in front of the goal. Everyone is watching. You want to shoot. You tell your leg to move. It doesn't. Then it starts moving. Not where you want to go. You run. It feels like someone picked up a controller. You see the wrong goal, the one you don't want to hit. Your leg moves. You run toward it. And you score. You're not playing the game anymore. You are the character, and someone else is holding the controls. You're still awake. You can see everything. Could this happen to you? That sounds impossible. But it exists in nature. And it's even worse. You'd expect something this powerful to be huge, but it isn't. It's on the ground, where you'd never look. It's called the Jewel Wasp, a tiny monster. It hunts cockroaches, but not to kill them. It rewrites their behavior. It turns their living body into a playable character. The body is still alive, but now the Jewel Wasp is holding the controller. How the hell does it do this? It stings the brain, injecting a venom, not to shut the cockroach down, but to make it part of its game. The cockroach stays awake, the muscles still work. But the player is now under control. The wasp doesn't leave, it leads the cockroach, step by step, into a dark place. In the stadium, you scored the wrong goal. Here, your body becomes the goal. The Jewel Wasp lays an egg on your body. Then it leaves. You stay in the hole, alone. Somewhere above you, the sun is shining, birds are singing, but you can't hear them. You're stuck. And the larva hatches and starts feeding. But from what? From you. And this horror continues for days, chewing its way in while you stay alive. It turns you into a living incubator. This cannot happen to you, but it really exists for cockroaches. And that's already enough. In nature, being alive doesn't mean you're in control of your character. Sometimes, someone else is holding the controller. And that's exactly why reality can be even worse than fiction.